In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the Rhino-Rack Backbone system to a Jeep JT Gladiator pickup truck. Before commencing, refer to the instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied against the component shadow board. As well, have on hand the correct tools, sealant and safety equipment as recommended. To begin, prepare the installation area by removing the rear and side interior panels. Next, remove the rear hardtop bolts using the Jeep torx tool. At the exterior, apply protective masking tape along the rear and forward areas. Using the 6.5mm end of the supplied spacer multi-tool, position the rear left casting at the correct height along the top edge. Next, bend the rear casting spacer 90 degrees and use at the back roofline to find the correct horizontal position. Before drilling, ensure you equip yourself with the appropriate personal safety equipment. Now, with a 6mm drill bit and the supplied spacer bushing, carefully drill each hole. Ensure the casting doesn't move from position. Once complete, remove the casting. Then carefully drill each hole using an 8.5mm drill bit. Repeat this procedure on both sides. Vacuum any debris and clean the area with a non-abrasive cloth. Next, trim the rear soft interior panelling. Use protective masking tape and mark the area 100mm from both ends of the rear panel. Carefully trim with a sharp knife. Also, trim 50mm off the top of both side panels. Reinstall the panel and the side panels back in the vehicle. The next step is to install the backbone uprights in the rear interior. Insert and position the matching left and right uprights together, aligning them over the hardtop bolt holes. Secure each upright with the supplied washer and dome head screws. Next, reinsert the Jeep hardtop bolts. This will secure the newly formed backbone upright into position. Next, apply mastic sealant around each drilled hole. Carefully position the rear casting over the drilled holes, ensuring the casting and bolts are lined up straight. Ensure a washer is placed between the exterior panel and the newly installed upright. Secure with the Jeep torx tool. Repeat this procedure on both sides. Now, using the front casting spacer together with the spacer multi-tool, position the front left casting in place. Ensure the 11mm end of the spacer multi-tool is used to set the correct height, then mark each hole. Carefully drill each hole through just the top skin of the hardtop using a 6mm drill bit with the supplied spacer bushing. Remove the casting and carefully enlarge the drilled holes in the top skin only using a 12.5mm drill bit. Be careful not to drill through the second skin. Reposition the casting over the enlarged holes and push the spacer bushing through the casting and top skin of the hardtop. Drill through the second skin of the hardtop using a 6mm drill bit. Next, remove the spacers and casting. Using the supplied 12.5mm drill stop and a 12.5mm drill bit set to a depth of 40mm, enlarge the previous drilled holes in the second skin. When complete, clean away any debris. Next, remove both of the front hardtop freedom panels. Once removed, use the Jeep torx tool to unscrew the front hardtop to roll bar bolts. Insert and position the roll bar casting underneath the drilled area and attach it to the roll bar with the supplied hardware. On the hardtop, apply mastic sealant around each drilled hole. Then, place the front casting into position using the supplied spacer bushings and bolts. Secure each bolt with the supplied Allen key and spacer multi-tool. Clean any excess mastic sealant and reattach each hardtop bolt. Repeat this procedure on both sides. Once complete, the front freedom panels can be reinstalled. Now that you've installed both the front and rear castings, you can attach your desired Rhino-Rack system.